blow their horn in the depot. The depot. And the people sigh, 'cause if there's one thing that they don't need, it's another cold night with a rosary freeze in the depot. The depot. People, don't you understand? We can't get every inch of land. We'll have to keep the main roads clear every day. Keep an eye on the BBC. It's just too cold to breathe. Worse to buy your bread and milk, the shelves will fill each day. When the weather turns, Blind Heaven is a little more north and cold, spread with thick on ice the roads in the depot. In the depot. Snow falls down on the famous markers under the plowworks through the cold and the dark in the depot. In the depot. Well, there's no need for desperation. We clear your waste away. Buses run, fields by car, lessons of fun, runners won't get far. Crews clear the roads while the people sleep, so the buses still run when the snow lies deep in the depot.